Have you ever noticed any red dots on your body? They usually appear after 30 years old and aren't caused by any external factors, being exclusively genetic. But you shouldn't worry about them. Although the red color might be alarming, they are small dots of blood that can appear on the skin because of the abnormal growth of blood vessels. As the years pass, their color can change to brown, or they might increase as we get older. These red dots are not considered malignant and are more prone to appear on fair skin. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are contributing to you and your health. According to the experts, there is no way to avoid them from appearing, since we don't know where they might show up. And according to studies, these dots can multiply, but they offer no risks of becoming skin cancer. It is always worth remembering that whenever exposed to the sun, you should use sunscreen, which can prevent these red dots and also rosacea and other spots. If you want a natural alternative for traditional sunscreens, watch the suggested video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up to help our channel. But if you still want to get rid of them, you can do it with the help of lasers and a dermatologist. Usually a single session is enough to remove them. However, since these dots appear because of genetic factors, a laser is not a guarantee that they won't appear again. A red dot that is removed doesn't come back, but other dots may appear on your body. If you have any doubts about red dots, talk to a dermatologist to analyze your case and answer your questions. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.